So there you have it, full self-driving. Was she impressed?
No.
I was.
Theo?
Cybertruck's not
You do
there.
it deliberately, Theo.
Oh, is it not there?
Match it away.
Oh,
Sometimes.
Let's see.
oh, ruined the surprise.
So I just guessed there's something doing it.
Maybe someone stole it. Oh, what's it doing all the way up there?
Dad, you put it up there.
What's the gecko?
Why is it up there?
Hmm?
Why is it up there? Come make a part down here. You want to make it park down here? Make it park right there. Stop and make it park right here.
Focus.
Why is the car moving? Oh, is that self-drive thing?
Summon mode. Perfect when it's raining.
The car might want to move faster.
No, it doesn't drive fast.
There's no...
There's clouds right
I
above
can
us.
feel it.
Here it comes, Theo.
Oh, at least it'll be cold and
If you love this, you'll love what's going to happen next. What do you think? Pretty cool? Here we go. We're going to go to Celebration, right? Celebration, Florida, 29 minutes, 11 miles. Okay? So, can you hold that please and point that? Anyway, so I can't do it when I'm driving. Let's cover that away from the screen. Until I get in my position. Get there, there we go.
Oh no, not self-drive. Totally freaks me out.
Here we go. So, we did it last year, so we're doing it this year. Like, last year it couldn't cope with the gates at the front of the complex. See, look, slowing down for the speed bump. And once we get out of here, obviously we've got 29 minutes, so we don't have to show everyone the full 29 minutes. But what we can do is ask why we don't like self-driving.
Oh, this freaks me out.
How come?
Because it's a computer that's driving the car, not a person.
Computer brain's probably got more brain power than this
Well,
one.
maybe
sitting behind
has,
the wheel.
but a computer can't anticipate certain things
Like
that a
what?
human can.
Like what?
It just can't.
Eh,
Human instinct can't.
You can train it though.
Well, I don't like it.
You may want to point away from my head all the time.
Right, so, well, just
Look,
sorry,
it's
it was to
about-
show you we're self-driving.
That's where we stayed last year.
It was where we stayed last year.
So we're almost at the entrance. And if it crashes for the gate, I apologise.
Yes.
But it didn't do that last time. It's been very polite with these stop signs, which is a bit annoying when it's empty. It's following the rules of the road.
American, yeah, where it stops and you have to come to complete stop.
And that's the last. No, there's one more stop sign up here.
Mm-hmm.
But that was a bigger bump. Well, what we had last year was an earlier version of the software, which has come on in leaps and bounds, especially for the Cybertruck version of full self-driving in the last 12 months, or just under 12 months. This is running version 14.3.4.
The screen's gone off in this.
It's fine. Just cut me off mid-sentence, it's fine.
Sorry.
Does that to save battery. So the self-driving profiles it's on hurry mode, so it'll go a little bit quicker to get us to our destination. We're going to go to the town of Celebration, which used to be a Disney-owned town, and just take a walk around. So we're going to park the car somewhere about there, and the intention of this video is to not touch the steering wheel at all the whole way there. It's good, eh?
Oh yeah, I remember last time you had to put your foot down on the brake, didn't you? Because it
Yeah.
was going to drive right through the gate.
That does worry me. Yeah.
Mhm.
The front facing cameras help with that kind of thing, but I always wonder when you have like little traffic islands, they're the ones that kind of speed, they slow down, what they call them, the little traffic calming ones you've got
Yeah.
to give way ahead of you. Those ones, like, it doesn't seem to pick that up on the map when I've got it in my Model Y. So I always wonder if you actually, well, it probably does see it, but. Right, so out and on our way. And we're in hurry mode, so the speed limit here is 30.
And it's going
Faster than 30.
39. So, how's that?
I'm going to put it into standard mode. And what I want to do, when I get to the celebration, I want somewhere to park. And probably on the street. So we'll just leave it as that. On there. What I'll do, I'll show you. Probably the best way of showing full self-driving isn't on roads like this, because there's so much footage on this kind of style of road as well. So what you probably want to do is see it on smaller roads. A town like Celebration, which is more like a smaller traditional street, on-street parking, that kind of thing. So it has more little things that could possibly go wrong, which won't go wrong, I'm confident. So far so good.
Yeah, great.
So
That's
would
my
you-
enthusiasm.
Yeah, I mean, I've said
Kids.
I would take it. I would subscribe to it when it comes available in UK.
Yeah, and I think Theo would too, but not for me.
He's
Not
10,
my
so
car.
he's not going to subscribe to it.
No, but I'm just saying he would want it in our cars, is what I mean.
Do you? Yeah.
Exactly. And I don't. It's not happening in my car.
It's fine. It'd be £99 per month at the moment for essentially what is full self-driving in the UK, which doesn't include this. It really is enhanced autopilot. So it has the kind of summon mode. It has lane changing and parking assist, that kind of stuff, but nothing major. There's a cannabis bus.
Yeah, cannabis bus. Don't know if it picked it up or not.
You may get some of that for you before you come in the car and chill you out.
What is that?
Joking.
What's a cannabis?
Nothing. You don't know what that is. So this is all straightforward, this is all good. What we'll do is we'll skip ahead and get you closer to Celebration, because what we're not really going to do much of is go on anything different than this kind of road and a little bit of the Highway 192, and that's like bread and butter for full self-driving. There's nothing complex about it, it's just a straight road all the way along. So when we get to kind of about here in Celebration as well, we'll kind of film and show you the rest of the journey from there. Right, so we're not in Celebration just yet, but we had the Cybertruck fix itself, didn't it, when it approached a junction like this, went in the left-hand lane.
It's like a
when
crossroads.
Yeah, it went in the left one instead of going in the right one to go straight over.
But it's done well this time, but last time it went in the wrong lane.
Yeah. I'm always impressed by Americans and their patience when it comes to these junctions and everyone taking their turn correctly.
Yeah, the first one to the junction goes.
Imagine that in the UK, it would be a free-for-all. We're about to get on off this road and
On
then the
to
next
the 192.
go on to the 192. Yeah, in a second. There's that giant Walmart over there.
A sharp turn there.
A sharp turn. This is always
Let's see
busy.
how it takes up like onto the 192.
It might take a while to get onto the 192, never mind anything else. The lights are probably going to go green up there. How are you feeling it so far then? We've been in it for about 15 minutes.
Fine. I suppose it's fine coming along these quiet roads. It's when you get on the busy roads, and because the main roads in America, you're talking like 4 lanes, and the cars just cross over the lanes all the time, zigzag out, and that's my fear, is that the car doesn't react quick enough to one of these idiots.
Well, what you'll probably
Just-
find though is, remember the cameras are all around us, and the processing power of this is bigger than our brains to react quicker. We're not going anywhere any faster. The lights have just changed to green there, so give it a 10-20 seconds or so, we should start moving.
It'll be interesting to see if it just kind of edges its way out, because that's what you've got to do over here. You've got to kind of almost edge your way out, don't you? Force your way in. It's not like back in the UK where the drivers are polite and flash out.
There's a Cybertruck right over there, next to Ariel from The Little Mermaid, who's hanging off that building as well.
Probably can't see it very well here.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah. Bare bones one. Right, so finally getting moving forward. No one will let you in. Oh, there you go, look at that.
like,
Doesn't
never
very
had,
often.
no, it doesn't. Maybe
Yeah,
a
it's a
British
tourist.
driver.
Where is it?
Right, so here we go.
Someone let a car out.
We're going to get out.
We'll probably see the same.
I think Merck's going to let us out. No, it's not. There's a gap now formed that 2 cars have went away.
I think you could see the same.
That wasn't enough room there to move.
You just
from
need to
that.
pay attention in case you need to.
Which Cybertruck?
So it's unsure, isn't it?
It's just being cautious.
It's hesitant.
It's being safe. And that's the whole...
It's clear now, so it'll go.
Oh, that was easy now, there's nothing behind it. But that's fine. But now you know. It's going to change over.
Change over to one of the middle lanes.
Yeah.
I wonder if it does that when it doesn't obviously need to turn off right very soon. It goes over to one of the middle lanes,
Yeah.
one of the faster lanes.
Yeah. Because I think the next turn off here is quite far down actually. Next turn off.
3.2 miles, it says.
No, that's for us to turn off.
Alright.
The next turn off on the road is
There's a
actually
couple.
quite
There's a
far
couple.
down.
There, there's a few.
Okay, this is different. Celebration Place. This
See-
looks like it's been built around like a movie set. It looks like something. It doesn't look very real. These buildings here, do they?
No, they don't.
They
Look,
look a bit
down.
weird.
Look out of place.
Uh huh.
The place to go.
And clean.
They look like empty office buildings.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
So we're almost there. Almost. And it's going to park us. Hopefully somewhere
Mum,
bang
the
central.
Davenport one.
Davenport.
Davenport.
Yeah. Davenport.
Oh, feels.
Oh, that's nice.
I think they have them.
That's great. Yeah.
Yeah, but they've maybe sold out of them already. Do you know that?
So you've been on the highway with it. You're quite relaxed about full self-driving now.
No.
Because we're
Anyway.
just about to approach 10 miles.
If I was driving this, I wouldn't put it on.
Still.
Well, I'm not driving it anyway because I'm not insured to drive it, but
That's true.
I don't want to drive it either. I have no interest in driving
Yeah, that's where Coldstone is over there, isn't it?
it. No, I don't know. It looks. That would have to be the 192 just there, so I don't know.
Oh look,
What's making that funny noise for?
it's a siren.
Oh, right.
It's an ambulance behind us. Right, we're almost there. 1 mile. So we're actually in Celebration now. Yeah.
Yeah, so you can stay here. There's condos and villas
Right.
and that, I think. There is definitely condos. I've seen it on a TV show.
It's more likely to see more things that full self-driving can actually show its capabilities on.
Oh, it's a sheriff. Better watch the speed.
Okay, we're going to try to get those ones.
I wonder if it recognises there's a sheriff's car.
Just thinks it's a police car. I think. A car even. Well, do you mean sirens?
Well, sirens, and obviously the speed limit's 25. Because obviously that's been going slightly over,
Yeah.
it's like then, because
The sheriff wasn't bothered. No, it does recognise things like sirens, by the way. Just to. So. This is just a straight road all the way in, so this is pretty easy. Right.
they're going to take us right into the
Yep.
island village. That's where we want to go. Market Street. It's like a quaint wee town. It's like something off a TV show.
Yeah, look, all the porches and...
Lovely. I say, it's like the houses in Scream.
Yeah, or a horror film.
Horrible, yeah.
Would you give it a bit more time? Do you think seeing a bit more full self-driving before you'd maybe want to have a go of it yourself? Or is it just a flat out no?
No, well, at the moment it's a no for me. That's just the way it makes me nervous. No.
Look at that car there. Chevrolet.
No, Chevy. Look, there's someone's
Mickey
got
hanging from a balcony.
because it's coming up for the 4th of July.
Yeah. There's a stop sign up here, which I recognise it anyway quite easily. So. Seems like there's obviously cars about. There's nobody walking about this town. That's the only thing so far.
Maybe it's not as busy as it used to be. Don't know.
A couple of people down there.
I've seen that usually that's what you see online, like all these wee shots. But maybe they're not.
Is it one of those towns where just like there's nothing behind the ball? So it's just front. There's a front plate on that Model Y from Maryland. So this
There's shops down there, look.
This is the centre of town, right? So it's asking me now, if you look at the screen, it wants to park or pull over. So
You're just parking these little bay things.
yeah, I'm going to have to probably take over at some point here. Okay. It's a one way. No, no. So this is my fault, right? I just put in celebration and it's taking us right bang to the centre of town. So we can't actually park here, I don't think.
No, this is for owners.
But we're driving through it, which is pretty enough. We'll go and find somewhere to park in a second. Now, I'm not going to stay here, but it's pulled us over.
What
Right.
pulled us over?
It's just
You're not allowed to park here.
no.
It's for on people that have got certain. So.
Right, hold on. Let it stop. See what it does exactly to the end. Now, it doesn't know any better, so that's done pretty well. And it's pumped me out of my seat. So there you have it. Full self-driving. Was she impressed?
No.
I was.
Theo?
You impressed?
Wants to.
Yeah. Boys are impressed, girls not so much. Thanks for watching.